Today we are going to look how to create a new reservation. There are different possibilities or ways to do so. A new reservation can be entered directly by clicking on the suitcase icon in the menu. By clicking on the button Add, we will create a new reservation. It is best to click on Enter Guest Customer, as this will automatically search the guest database and the system will inform us if the guest has already been entered. If we have entered the guest last name and tap to the next field, the phonetic search function will display guests with the very same name or a similar name in the lower part of the screen. If it is a guest who is already stored in the system, we can select the guest by clicking on the checkbox on the left in the lower list and add the guest data to our current reservation by clicking on the button Paste. We now enter the data for the reservation on the tab Stay by selecting the type of reservation first. Then we select the arrival date. Afterwards, we select the departure date. We can also enter the number of nights instead of the departure date. We now click on the tab Rooms. On this page, we can carry out bookings of certain rooms. Please note that guests are being registered on this page away by clicking on the desired room. In the column 3 are shown all available beds per room. To select and add a room to the reservation, we need to click in the column All. We now will select room 122. It will add all available beds in this very room to this very reservation, in our case 2 beds. With the help of button B and button R, a room can be booked and released again. The complete reservation is being saved by clicking on the button Save. Each reservation is being identified by a unique reservation number. This number should be used for the correspondence with the guest. When we now take a look in our room plan, we can see our newly created reservation in room 122 and with the guest's name Bergman.